Bro, we finna win this game. What you saying? Oh, bet. Say less. Say less. Say less. Okay, Josh going left. Go weak. Mark it weak as fuck. Mark it weak as fuck. Laying down by the door. Laying down. Laying down. Good shit, Lock. Weak. Mark it. All good. Good flank. Good flank. I'm with you. They all on old. They all on old. Did he push out, Josh? Alright, I'm here with you. I'm going on point. I throw a grenade. Watch out. Fuck. Good shit. Who's flanking? Nice. I got no ammo. I gotta go pick up a gun. Yeah, I killed him. Nice. There's one on me. Plane. Nice, Lock. Wait, what? Make up, Josh, what you doing? Oh my god. I'm thinking you watching me from top green. Bet. I bet. One flanking, Josh. I'm going on time. I'm gonna stun him. I'm stunned over. Oh, he pushed up. This fucking faggot, bro. All good. I'm going P2 side. He's in the corner. I knew it, bro. I knew it. He's in the front corner. I'm switching to an NPC real quick. Nice. I'm going out. That grenade killed me? Fuck. He's in the back. Bet. You're trash, bitch. I want you to know that. Yep. Push out. I'm gonna stay on scrap. Push out. Plane, lay down plane. Fuck. Oh, split. We split. Stay alive, top green. Ah, fuck. I'm going top green. Top green too. I'm throwing a grenade. Weak. He jumped out. Stunning mid cut, stunning mid cut. Weak on time, nice. Mid cut, I'm stunning mid cut. I'm watching flank. Watching flank. Nice.
Hardpoint located.
There's one top green.
Bet.
Hardpoint active. We control the
Yep. Spawning behind us. Yeah. Y'all don't even have to push up on me. Top green, top green. Top green, he jumped out. Watch him market, watch him market.
testing hardpoint.
He's weak, point. We can rotate.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint identified.
Make up.
Hardpoint is active.
Nice. Nice, thank you, bro.
Someone was playing.
Behind us. Oh, good hailstorm, nigga. They finna run now. Alright, bet. I'm going no. They're watching y'all. I killed one. Alright, bet. I'm going around. I'm blocking spawns. I killed one in spawn. Nice. I died. Man, how the fuck he kill me? Good shit, Locke. He got shitted. He's weak in market. Alright, bet.
Hardpoint identified.
They flanking. He coming old. Why the fuck would you push old, dumbass?
Hardpoint is active. I have the hardpoint.
You spawned here? Wait, what? Alright, bet. Oh, he's front hard point. Alright.
Testing hardpoint.
I'm playing, yep. And jumping up top green. In point.
Hostile personnel have captured the hardpoint.
He stuns you? Yeah,
Testing hardpoint.
they throwing everything they can, bro. I don't blame them, dog.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested.
Yeah. I got the flank. Bro, I need my SR correlate with my kills, bro. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, that shit's on the top too, you know.
Bro, when you got 3 SMGs, bro, that take care of you, gang, you ain't gotta do too much but stay in the hill, gang. You ain't gotta do too much but stay in the hill. God.
He's showing me the first shit.
Wait, what? What?
Bro, I told you.
I got 70.